AI is everywhere, in your car, in your phone, writing emails for you, and doing so much of your daily work. You may be wondering if there actually any limit to what AI can do. Well, let me tell you, there were people who are saying that AI can do certain things and will never gonna be able to do XYZ things. Guess what most of those predictions have in common? They all were wrong. In this video, we will look at what knowledge really is and how it differs from data and information, and this will help set the context. Then we will look at what were the limits of AI, which of them have been accomplished, and what's still left to do. So I am Dipanshu Tevatia and let's dive into this video. Now let's start by looking at the difference between data, information, knowledge and wisdom. We will be looking at that by using this graph. Okay, so first we have the data. Let's say I give you some random values like 5, 6, 12, 13. Okay, these are the raw facts. It's like a database which is store data. What to do with this data? We don't know. Now, if I add some context to that data, we get information. Like what if I tell you that these are the ages of people. Now this add more meaning to it and it has more context. It's like an application running on a computer. That's why it's called IT, information technology. After that, if we add some interpretation to our information, we get knowledge. Like after looking at this data and information, I tell you, okay, all the people are below 15 in that room. So we have more knowledge, and these tell us more about the information and data, and it is actually where AI comes in. But the last part where we are really trying to get. Now if I applied some judgment to the knowledge, we get wisdom, which is applied knowledge. What if after looking at the data, information and knowledge, I tell you, okay, we can watch some cartoon in that room to keep all the people occupied because they are below 15. And this is really where we are trying to get with AI. So let's talk about what I have found were the limits of AI and have been accomplished. So the first limitation was reasoning and problem solving. If we really consider intelligence natural or artificial, then reasoning and problem solving is a part of that. Well, IBM in 1997 came out with a computer named Deep Blue, which played chess against grandmaster, and here reasoning and problem solving was accomplished. Second, NLP, natural language processing. So as we know, computer only understands zeros and ones, but natural language processing is a technique by which computer understands human language. It could be text or speech. So as we know, currently we have advanced chatbot like ChatGPT and Whisperflow, which use NLP. But in 1965, first chatbot came out named Eliza, which used NLP, and here NLP was no longer a limitation. Third, creativity, and even I have heard about this till last year that AI cannot create things. But we all might be familiar with tools like Nano Banana and Sora, which do this job efficiently. Now fourth one is robots. They exist today. Well, you might not consider them as a robot, but self-driving car is a robot, right? And you may have heard about the humanoid robots which are coming out like Neo. Now hallucination. We cannot say that we have overcome hallucination, but there are certain techniques by which we can overcome hallucinations like RAG, retrieval augmented generation, by which we add more context to the model. Hallucination is when a model gets confused and it gives some garbage result, or we use different models for different work. Now let's move to the limitation that still exists and we haven't accomplished those yet. First is AGI. AGI means artificial general intelligence. The concept of AGI is a AI that can learn, understand and perform any intellectual task that a human can. The problem with the current models is we have to train them, but AGI learn and understand by itself and evolve by itself. So this is the current limitation. We haven't accomplished AGI yet. Second is artificial superintelligence, ASI. Artificial superintelligence means an AI that is better than human in every field. For now, this is just the concept of fiction. Now the third limitation, and this is a big one, sustainability. The problem with current model is they use a lot of electricity, need so much of cooling and are expensive to run. So we need right size model which work efficiently. Now the fourth limitation is self-awareness. The model we currently use, are they self-aware? Do they know difference between AI or machines, or do they know difference between AI or humans? Well, this is the question that we don't have answer of, and that's why it is a limitation for now. The fifth limitation is The fifth limitation is judgment. As same as the self-awareness, the current model, do they know what is right, what is wrong, or what is legal or what is illegal, or are they just working on the boundaries they have been put in? Now the last one, emotions. Do current model understand emotions, deep emotion? Do they know what happiness feels like? Do they know what sadness feels like? Well, these were the current limitation, that we don't know when we will achieve the AGI or sustainability or deep emotions in the model. And actually I am very excited to look forward that when this will happen. Well, if you ask me what my take on this situation, I would tell you that humans should be here asking questions like what and why, what to do and why to do, and AI should be here asking question like how or doing the task. So I am actually excited to see when we will achieve all these current limitations, and I will look forward to that. So this was a video on limitations of AI, that currently what AI can do and what AI cannot do. So if you like the video, please hit like and do share the video. Leave a comment in the comment section, and you can follow my page if you are interested in more videos like this, or you interested in videos on the topic of AI or new technology. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.